wearing that makes all your nose run. Anyway, just want to stop and say Happy New Year to everyone, because it's the first video of 2024. I have been filming quite a few bits leading up to this one, which will be coming out over the next few weeks. I just wanted to put this one out and just wish everyone, you know, the Happy New Year, and hope everyone had a good Christmas and all that stuff, because I forgot to put a Christmas video out. So as you can see, I'm out here, I'm under the car, working away. However, there's one thing I've noticed, and it is bothering me. Okay, I've done the Vactan, as you know, and it said the 24 hours to flash, and I've done some research, and apparently this is normal. Let me show you. Alright, you see where I've done the Vactan? Don't know whether you can see that. Okay, but it's got this like rust look to it. Let me get the light around here better. See that? Now, oh dear. See there? Okay. Now I have done a little bit of research into this, if this is normal, because this is bare metal I've taken it back to, and apparently it is. I've never known it. First time I've ever heard of it to happen like that. But apparently, if you take it back to bare metal and you treat it, it does give like a brownish rust colour. But apparently, that's not rust. That's quite normal. Apparently, if anyone else has ever used this stuff and knows of anything, let me know in the comments what you think. I mean, to me, that just cries out rusting again, doesn't it? So I'm not too sure personally, but no, like I say, a lot of people have said that it's quite normal. I'm going up around all the top of the strut here now, and you can see where I've treated it there. It has been treated basically everywhere. It's just all the little bits now I'm getting. So we're getting there. I'm happy with the process, but I just need, think you need a little bit of an update. So in the next video after this one, it's all be like we're going back in time a little bit, because it'll be doing this work. So hopefully it makes sense. But hoping everyone's had a fair Christmas, and hope everyone has had a good New Year. And it's only just started, so first day of 2024, 1st of Jan. So yeah, I'm gonna carry on doing this, and yeah, we'll see you shortly. Okay, so just keep an eye out on the channel, and you'll see all the updates coming as they happen. I'm doing my best to get this car done, as quick as I can, but without rushing it. I want to do it properly rather than do it twice sort of attitude. It's hard to get the light right, and yeah, that seems a bit better. Where was I? And yeah, so, but without rushing it and ruining it, I want to get it done nicely. So this is a between video, bellyache, of what's going on, and I wanted to show you this, what's going on with the Vactan, because I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm gonna crack on. Let you guys tell me what you think on this with the Vactan. Okay, right, look, just, yeah, you can see that, yeah. And like I say, I've read in a few forums and different cars and stuff that that's quite normal, because I have taken it back to bare metal there. If there's any rust there, it will go black. So like a little bit of rust around here, this this little light on the side gets in the way a little bit, doesn't it? And then any bare metal, it takes that brownish colour to it. So I'm going to continue doing this. I'm going to finish off up here now, sandpaper it all, and then start giving it a bit of treatment. Anyway, I feel like I've rabbited on for long enough, but thanks everyone for the support in 2023. Let's carry it on into 2024. I'm going to set a challenge. Let's see if I can hit 20k by the end of the year. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye for now.